Does this ever happen to you? You know it does.
Oh my gosh, 7:30, I'm running so late. And I didn't even get to eat breakfast. I'm late.
We didn't eat breakfast this morning.
Sorry, I didn't have time. I was running late.
She had the Phil pill. Her morning could be like this.
Like 5 minutes left before class, but it's all good because I got my Phil pills with me. Find myself a parking spot. Let's go ace this test.
Hey, hold on. You don't need that. What you need is the Phil pill.
The Phil pill? What's the Phil pill?
Go.
It's a nutritional supplement that has all your daily vitamins, minerals, all that stuff. And it can be used as a meal replacement.
Is it healthy?
Of course.
What's it have in it?
It's all your daily vitamins, nutrients, everything you need.
Protein, fiber, complex carbs, amino acids, vitamins A, E, K, D, C, and B, calcium, iron, and potassium.
It's everything you need to start off your day right.
Well, how much is it?
Just $19.95,
Plus shipping and handling?
of course.
I'll buy it.
The Phil pill is also available in different countries around the world, and I have with me a student in Kenya and another in Denmark.
Go.
Kwa majina yangu ni Kennedy Kialie. Phil pill imenisaidia kuwa nikitoka naenda shule nafikiria mzuri sana. Sasa hii iko poa, yeda wikuje itukue.
Hi, I'm Amanda Neiman, and I'm from Denmark. I've been taking the Phil pill for 3 years now, and it's helped me out so much. I don't get hungry as much, and I don't have to spend as much money on fast food and other things. It's so wonderful. It's done wonders, and I get to sleep more because I'm not rushing out of the house. It's just great. So thank you so much, Phil pill. Okay, done.
To wrap all this up, your day can go a lot smoother if you have the Phil pill. It's a nutrition supplement with all your daily vitamins and nutrients. It works as a meal replacement, and it helps to keep you full and focused through a long day of classes. The Phil pill is only $19.95 plus shipping and handling. You can go to our website, www.philpill.com, or call 123-PHIL-PILL now and get a second bottle free. Just pay extra shipping and handling. Must be 18 years or older to call.
Thanks, Phil pill.